hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be unboxing the Yoga Club box. So if you guys would like to know what cute workout clothes I have, go and keep watching. And as always, if you're not part of the mermaid squad or the mermaid family, you should go ahead and click subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, anyways, let's go and get started. Before we go ahead and unbox this box of goodies right here, if you're not familiar with Yoga Club, it is basically a monthly subscription service where they have 3 different packages that customizes to your style. So what you basically do is you go on their website, you take a little quiz. This quiz that you take is basically like your personal stylist because it asks for your sizes, what you prefer as far as like your top when working out, your bottom, your sweater, and all that stuff. So it's kind of like getting to know you, and it's like trying to make a whole outfit for you. So this is really cool. Another great thing about Yoga Club is all the pieces in your box are going to be basically like 60% off the retail price. If you were to buy the brands of clothing that you got in your box like outside Yoga Club, it's going to be a lot more expensive. So you're definitely saving your money with Yoga Club. Another great thing about Yoga Club, which is also one of the reasons why I really support this company, is that every time you purchase a box, you're also sending a child to take a yoga class, which is nice because yoga is great, you guys. It's great for relaxing, staying active, and it's just a nice way to meditate, especially when you're stressed and all. So that's really awesome. You're not only buying cute clothes, but you're also making a difference, which is super awesome. So anyways, I know you want to see what I have in my box, so here we go. This is the box itself. Boom! There it is. It says love guaranteed. Step 1, inhale love, exhale gratitude. 2, unwrap your outfit, and 3, snap, share, and win. You can actually win a new outfit if you do share it on Instagram or Facebook with the hashtag Yoga Club. These are the items. There are 3 items, I believe. The first one we have is the sports bra right here, and it's in this maroon and navy color, and I actually really like this one because it has padding, which is great for running, or even if you're doing yoga, whatever it is, this is great. This is very versatile. And then on the back you have this style right here, which I really like. Also, the fit of this sports bra is kind of like almost a top on me, like it goes a little bit above my belly button, so I can get away with just wearing this at the gym, because some gyms are like, yo, you gotta wear a shirt, just like, but there are guys like shirtless. Really like this. I think this is one of my favorite sports bra slash top right now because of how it fits. This one retails for $48, which is pretty expensive if you ask me. If I were to buy this by itself, this is what the bottom looks like. Again, you have the matching color and pattern, and then on the bottom you have this mesh detailing, which I love. Also, the quality of this one is the bomb diggity. This is from the brand MPG, which, to be completely honest, I've never heard it before, but I think I really like it because I wore it to the gym yesterday, like I mentioned, and it did not let me down. This one retails for $66. And then last but not least, in the box, I got this light sweater for the gym. It is this gray, like snowflake sweater for the gym, and it is a nylon material, so it's definitely breathable. It's one of those long sleeves that has like the little hole for your thumbs, so like when you're running or something, your sleeves are not gonna roll up. So yeah, anyways, I just got this, and it comes with a hood. Now this one retails for $50, which is kind of expensive if you ask me. Like, I don't know if I would buy like this expensive a gear, but I mean, I got it in my box, so I was definitely saving a ton of money. But yeah, so anyways, this is just what it looks like. Those are pretty much all the items that I have in my Yoga Club box. If you would like to purchase a box of your own and send a child to a yoga class, go ahead and click the link down below. I also have a coupon code for you guys, which is Farina20, and it'll give you 20% off your first box, which is super awesome. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these unboxing videos, let me know down below. And yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.